Happy fall, healthy squad. So today we're making spiced muffins today. So we have mashed bananas, applesauce, cashew milk. You can do whatever milk you want. We have vanilla extract and apple cider vinegar. Then I'm whisking it all together so that way it's all mixed. Now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. So first we're gonna have salt, baking soda, baking powder, and pumpkin spice. Then we're gonna have flour. You can use any kind of flour. I'm using gluten-free, Bob's red milk. Now I'm gonna do chocolate chips, walnuts, and coconut. Now we're gonna have sugar. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Like this. Now we're gonna put the wet to the dry, and then we're gonna mix it all together like this. Now I preheated the oven to 350. Now I'm gonna put the muffin tins in. Now I'm gonna fill the muffin tin. I'm gonna put these in the oven. I will be right back. It's good. Subscribe and like to my channel. So bye, Healthy Squad. I love these. Can you make me some cupcakes for my birthday? I don't know if you like cake, ice cream cake. This is messy.